Dear children, in the previous class we have studied about the noun and how to convert noun into adjectives. As example, we have done the crossword puzzle in the exercise C of worksheet number 1, in which we had done good person has a goodness, courageous man shows a lot of courage, patient person shows a lot of patience, etc., in which the adjectives were given here and we had converted those adjectives into noun, and those all were abstract nouns. So we have to go ahead. Now we have to start worksheet number 2, in which we will study about the action words, and action words are called verbs. Example: cook, play, smile, and so many words we will get in this passage. One passage is given here which is about Arya family. Mrs. Arya, a housewife, is a simple and intelligent lady. She is extremely loving and caring. She does all the household chores efficiently. She cooks food patiently, cleans the house every day, washes clothes carefully, takes care of her family, and does all the shopping. She has decorated her home beautifully. She loves reading books and often visits the library. She is generally calm, but sometimes she loses her patience with her husband's strange inventions. There is one instruction given here in which we see that we are asked to underline all the action words given in the above paragraph. Action words, just I have explained, all the doing words are called action words and all action words are called verb. Mrs. Arya, a housewife, is a simple and gentle lady. She is extremely loving and caring. She does all the household chores efficiently. See the first sentence. Mrs. Arya, a housewife, is a simple and intelligent lady. Mrs. Arya, proper noun. Housewife, common noun. Simple and intelligent, which is an adjective, and lady is noun. What is verb here? Is. She is extremely loving and caring. She, pronoun, is verb, extremely loving and caring. Extremely, there is one new word we see here, extremely loving and caring. This explains the verb. It says something more about the verb. Extremely loving and caring. So the word which say something more about the verb is called adverb. So extremely here is an adverb. She does all the household chores efficiently. She does here is verb, and how does she do? Efficiently. So efficiently explains something more about the verb. So does is verb here. Efficiently is an adverb. She cooks food patiently. Cleans the house every day. She cooks food patiently. How does she cook food? Patiently. So patiently explains something more about the verb here. So patiently is an adverb. Cleans the house every day. Washes clothes carefully. How does she wash clothes? Carefully. Was here verb. Doing verb is here. So this is verb, action word. And how does she wash the clothes? So reply here is carefully. So it says something more about the verb. So carefully is an adverb. Takes care of her family and does all the shopping. She has decorated her home beautifully. She has decorated. She here decorated, which is a doing word. It is action word. Verb here. And how has she decorated her home? So reply will be beautifully. So it says something more about the decoration. Beautifully decorated. So beautifully here is adverb and decorated is verb. She loves reading books and often visits the library. She is generally calm, but sometimes she loses her patience with her husband's strange inventions. So many action words, and the words also which says something more about the action words we have seen here. So the action words are verb, and the words which say something more about the action words are adverb. One thing here given in a bold letter, remember. What do we have to remember? All the action words are verbs. Cook, play, smile, etc. These all we met in this paragraph, which are verbs. Question number B. Read the passage again and in the box given below list any 5 action words and the words which tell you more about them. How, when, where, how often, etc. The first one has been done for you. Suppose cooks or patiently. We have to take care of these words. How, when, where and how. These all are the question words. So this will help you how to identify the adverbs in the given paragraph. As I have already explained that ask a question. As example, she is extremely loving and caring. है ना? So how much love and care she have? So extreme love and care. Extremely here is adverb, which says something more about the verb. Extra caring and extra loving. Something more about the verb. That is why extremely is adverb. She does all the household chores efficiently. I had already asked the questions in the just now. Earlier, she does all the household chores efficiently. How does she do the household works? So she does all the household chores efficiently. So efficiently here is adverb. The same way you have to ask questions in the form of how, when, where, how often, etc. and the reply which you will find that will be adverbs. Words telling more about the action words are called adverbs, and the doing words are called action words. Action words are called verb. So this is definition of verb and adverbs. Now I hope you will be able to find out the verbs and adverbs from the given paragraph. If any problem you face, ask your questions through the WhatsApp groups. I am available with you all and can solve each and every question which you will raise. Worksheet number 3. Instruction is there. Following words grid contains 9 adjectives. Identify these adjectives and make adverbs from them by adding suitable suffixes. The first one has been done for you. 2 things are there. One is suffix and prefix. Suffixes and prefixes help us to convert the adjectives into adverbs or adjectives into noun. Prefix means which will be added before the word, so that is prefix, and suffix which will be added after the word, so that is called suffix. As example, one circle here is loud, that is an adjective. So how will you convert this adjective into adverb? Loudly. ly is added here, which is added after the word. So the which is added after the word is called suffix, and which is added before the word is called prefix, which helps us to transform or convert the given words into noun or adverbs or an adjectives. You have to find out 8 more words from this grid, and then you have to convert all those 8 words into adverbs. So use the suffixes and do the worksheet number 3. I am going to help you by adding some more adjectives from the grid. You can see bad, bad, bad. You can see here bad, bad. Bad is an adjective. What will be the adverb? Badly. ly is added after the word here, badly. Same way you can find out correct, correct. Correct. What will be the adverb? Correctly. ly is added here. The same way you have to find out some more adjectives from this grid, and you will find at all 9 words from this grid which is adjectives, and then you have to convert those adjectives into adverb with the help of suffixes. So adjectives are the describing words. You all know. Just now I have described the definition of adverb, verb, noun. You earlier read or learned. This time adjective. Adjectives are the describing words which is used to describe a noun or pronoun. So describing words are called adjectives. Now, the same way you have to replace the adverb phrases given in bold with adverbs. Adverb phrases are there: in a hurry, with care, with courage, in every place, in a pleasing manner. These all are adverb phrase, and you have to use adverbs only at the place of these adverb phrases. He left the room in a hurry. One example is given here for your convenience. So he left the room hurriedly. She packed her bag with care. What will be the adverb here? She packed her bag with care. So you can say carefully. She packed her bag carefully. She fought in the war with courage. You can say he fought in the war courageously. He looked for him in every place. He looked for him everywhere. She greeted us in a pleasing manner. You can say in a pleasing manner means pleasantly. She greeted us pleasantly. Na? So you can do this exercise also. Thereafter worksheet 4 is there. We will study about the worksheet number 4 in our next class. Now I hope you can do worksheet number 2 and 3 very easily and conveniently. If you have any problem, ask your problem from your audio or text. With the help of your audio or text, I am here to reply all your questions. Okay, thank you. Let's do.